Good morning and happy Father's Day! Aiden, it's Father's Day today? Okay, you want my hand? Okay, here you go. He knows how to get down on his own, but still sometimes he just wants hand.
It's mommy.
It's mommy and Aiden. And look, can you say good morning, Marvel?
Good morning, Mama.
Good job. I love you, Marvel.
Mama.
Good job. Here, baby, you're almost here. There is Marvel. So it's Sunday. It's Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads out there. My dad is here with me, so we're gonna celebrate with him today. First of all, I'm gonna make him some tea because I'm already late for his tea. And yeah, let's make him some tea, and then I'm gonna make his favorite breakfast. Hold on the light. There you go. Then I'm gonna make him his favorite breakfast, and then my aunt's favorite breakfast that obviously includes potatoes. So yeah. So he's in a stage where he wants to do every single thing. And then how I start my morning is basically with a cup. I take like an 8-ounce cup. And then I take apple cider. My water is heating up over here. I do about like a tablespoon. And then I made like a ginger lemon juice at home, like this. See? And then I popsicles at morning, not in the morning, and then I add this here, and then I add the warm water. Drink is ready. I drink this first thing in the morning, and then I had my medicine and my multivitamin. What do you want? This is not tea, baby. This is mommy's drink. You want to check it out? Come, I'll show you. Come here. This is mommy's morning drink. See?
Mommy's morning drink.
Yeah.
That's it.
Touch the cup, okay? Good job.
It's good.
It's good. Yeah, it's very good for health. So my dad loves parathas for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. He loves parathas basically. And yesterday he said himself, like, I want to eat this veggie tomorrow, or I just want to eat this veggie basically. So it includes potatoes, methi, and til, which is basically soya leaves. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to make a veggie out of it for him for breakfast. Like this, the soya leaves, the dill basically, it's called in English. And then this is methi. I don't know what it's called in English though, I might have to Google it. But yeah, this, and then you mix this and potatoes and make a veggie out of it. It comes out very good. So I'm gonna make him this real quick. What do you want? Mango popsicles? Mommy doesn't have mango popsicle right now. I'll have to make it today.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
Alright, Aiden's breakfast is here. He's eating potato sandwich and 1 egg. Mayang is drinking coffee. Dad's breakfast is here. He's enjoying paratha and methi aloo soya sabji. Alright, I have my face pack here and I'm like on my face, and I made a mixture which I'm gonna apply on my hands and legs to detan. So I have, this is the clay mask. This is the clay, rice powder, and apple cider vinegar, and chickpea flour, which is besan. I'm gonna put this here. some on my neck, and then I'm gonna put it on my hands and my leg, and I'm also gonna put it on my dad's face. Aya, what does mommy have on her face? Huh?
Looks like Dad is getting Father's Day treatment today. Marvel is here, Aiden is playing over here, and I am going out for a quick errand.
Alright, I'm covered in this face body pack for my face, my hands, and my legs. Everywhere I'm tan, I just applied it, but it's really, really good.
Oh,
Oh, gentle!
what's that?
Say Happy Father's Day from us!
Say na something.
Did you give it? Say it's a gift for you.
Oh, let me open it. Oh, looks like
Marvel, back
Now
up.
back up.
looks like a t-shirt.
Wow, I didn't look.
Yes.
Wow,
Oh
did you
my
pick it up?
God. Lovely. I'm going to wear it today. And go out for
Lunch.
Lunch. Marvel, no.
Marvel.
and we will be launching this.
And tell Nanu there's one more, Nanu.
And this again looks like a different color t-shirt.
What color is that?
What color is that?
Oh, देखना होगा.
Orange.
No, give me
White.
this also.
Good job.
Let me one minute. This is also my gift.
No.
No, please.
No.
Please, this is my gift.
No.
Take this gift also.
No.
No, take this gift.
So that's yours.
Water. Say this is my water.
My water.
This is my water.
Take it out and then say it, baby.
This is my water.
This is my water.
This is my
Good
water.
job.
My water.
This is my water.
It's ice water.
This is my water.
Alright, we are ready. We are going for lunch. We are going to Urban Angiti. It's an amazing Indian restaurant here in Cary. And we're gonna go there and have some delicious food. Alrighty, Aiden is ready. And Mayank is ready. Dad is almost ready.
It's hot.
Is it hot?
Aiden, did you open the car? Did you unlock the car?
Not yet.
Okay. He's wearing his shoes over there and we're gonna head out. Ready, Aiden?
Is you ready, mommy?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, bye, Adam.
Can you tell Nanu? Come on, Nanu, come sit in the car.
Bye bye.
Can you tell him to come sit in the car? Say, come on.
Come fast.
Come back.
Yeah. Alright, let's go and then we'll see you at the restaurant. Alright, we ordered our food and then for drinks, we did our drinks, but we also did jamun shot. Basically, this
What is
is
this
a
supposed to
jamun
be?
shot. The jamun fruit.
Fruit, it is,
Yeah.
but it contains alcohol in it.
Yeah, tequila.
Yeah, say that.
Yeah. So it's a jamun shot means it has alcohol. So anyways, I'll show you, baby. I'll show you.
I'll get
So we're
one
gonna
for you.
cheers. Alright, let's do it.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy Father's Day. Yeah, it's actually very good.
One short means
Chicken lollipop he already came here and we devoured. It was so good. I'll put the picture here so you guys can check it out how it looks. And then our drink is here. This is my
Spicy margarita.
spicy margarita. Dad is having beer. And mine
This
is
is tamarind whiskey sour.
yeah, tamarind whiskey sour.
and this
Dad.
is pure
Kingfisher.
rice beer.
Rice beer. And Aiden is having water.
Alright, so the food is here. This is chicken, this is paneer, and this is dal tadka, some rice. And
This
is
is rice,
food
eh?
for Aiden, and these are nuts.
And then you just didn't.
I did not acknowledge
Yeah. Alrighty, we are done with lunch and then we are gonna
Adik,
go
yahan
home
khadi hai na,
now.
kahan ja rahe hain?
Yeah, and come on, let's go. We are gonna go home. Food was absolutely delicious. Yeah, we enjoyed every single thing. Did you like the food, Dad?
Yes.
It was Dad's.
Food was too good. It was something like, it was tasting like a Lucknow food.
Yeah, it was Dad's treat. And yeah, so we all enjoyed the food and we also packed some. They are passed out. After the delicious Indian food, they are all out. And Dad is resting, he's not sleeping, and Aiden is sleeping. And me, on the other hand, wide awake, stomach way too full. I am gonna just finish the dishes. I'm gonna go do laundry and finish up all this work. So yeah. Alright, we have been arranging our closet. I finished mine and now it's Mayank's turn. I took out this pile of clothes. And then now Mayank is clearing up his closet. What happened, baby? And Aiden doesn't look very happy. What happened?
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
done walking Marvel, and Aiden is with Dad. He's playing with his water table, and we are quickly gonna go to Target because I have to take so do that, and I don't know, maybe get a boba and get some soup for dinner.
Imagine now you walk into Target and it starts ringing.
I know. And I don't even, do you have a receipt?
I mean, it should be in my app.
Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna go do that, and nothing much planned for the evening, but Nitish and Ashley, they are making some dessert which is called Better Than Sex. The dessert is called that. So they said to come over for dessert and drink, so we'll do dinner at home and then just go there and hang a little bit and then come back home. So I'll show you guys what the dessert is. Yeah. Alright, so the plan of cake change. This is what do I call it? Slutty brownie. What? Slutty brownie. So instead of Better Than Sex cake, now it's slutty brownie. So that's what we ate with ice cream, and it was very, very good.
Man, the kids, we are growing in this house.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what we did. And then we are heading out back home, and then I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye bye.